we are looking at how to pronounce these two words that may look slightly similar, sound quite similar, but mean very different things, and they are not to be pronounced exactly the same way either. So stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be looking at more confusing vocabulary so you get better English as well. So listen carefully and let's get into it. The top word is what pumps your blood in your body, this vital organ, your heart. Okay, so you have to open your mouth quite a bit here. You do want to pronounce the H and blow air through that ha sound. Heart. Okay, now the bottom word is when you get injured. You fall and you get hurt. So for this you have to narrow your mouth quite a lot more. Heart is very open, and you open your mouth and blow air with your mouth open. Heart. While for the bottom word you have to close your mouth, narrow your mouth a lot more. Hurt. It's the same principle. Blow air through your sound cords and your mouth, but narrow your mouth. Hurt versus heart. So top word is heart, bottom word is hurt. Okay, so my heart is very lively and happy today. My heart, what you use for emotions and love, your heart. While the bottom word is hurt. It really hurts me what you're saying. Hurt. Heart. Hurt. Did you get the difference? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations too. Thanks for watching.